Let's face it, talking about money can be tough. It can even feel a little scary, but it's a conversation you and your partner need to have. This mini course is designed to make that conversation easier. We'll walk you through the steps to take control of your finances. Remember those dreams about owning a home, traveling, or retiring comfortably? Those dreams are within reach. By understanding personal finance, you'll turn those dreams into reality. It's about taking control of your money. This isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a life filled with financial security and peace of mind. Building a legacy of financial strength for your children and grandchildren. We'll cover budgeting, debt management, investing, and retirement planning. It's time to take charge of your financial future together. Let's get started. The first step to financial freedom is understanding where your money is going. Track your income and expenses. Write down everything you earn and spend. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. Once you see where your money goes, make changes. Look for areas to cut back. Can you eat out less? Find a cheaper cell phone plan? Small changes make a big difference. Every dollar counts. Create a budget that works for you. Budgeting is about planning for your goals. Take control by making conscious choices. Build a solid financial foundation for your future. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be empowering. The key is to find a budgeting method that fits your lifestyle and your personality. There are many different approaches, so experiment until you find one that clicks. One popular method is the 50-30-20 budget. This approach allocates 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are things you enjoy but can live without, like entertainment and dining out. Another popular approach is the envelope system. With this method, you assign a specific amount of cash to different spending categories each month. Once an envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category. This is a great way to curb overspending and stick to your budget. Remember, communication is key when budgeting as a couple. Sit down together regularly to review your budget, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Life is full of surprises, and your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate them. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, holding you back from your dreams. But the good news is that you can get out of debt and stay out of debt. The first step is to acknowledge the problem and commit to tackling it together. Start by making a list of all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Then, create a debt snowball. This means paying off your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on all the others. Once the smallest debt is gone, you roll the amount you were paying on it into the next smallest debt, and so on. As you pay off each debt, you'll gain momentum and motivation. Celebrate your victories along the way. Remember, you're not just paying off debt, you're breaking free from the chains of financial stress. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful tools you have to build wealth over time. The key is to start early and invest consistently. Even small contributions can add up to significant amounts over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. There are many different investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor if needed. One popular investment strategy is to contribute to a 401k or Roth IRA. These retirement accounts offer tax advantages and can help you build a substantial nest egg for the future. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to take full advantage of it. It's free money. Remember, investing is a long game. Don't panic if the market takes a dip. Stay focused on your goals. Stay consistent with your contributions, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Retirement might seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine a life of financial freedom, where you can pursue your passions without worrying about money. Start by estimating how much money you'll need in retirement. Consider factors like your desired lifestyle, healthcare costs, and potential inflation. Then, determine how much you need to save each month to reach your retirement goals. Explore different retirement savings options such as 401ks, Roth IRAs, and traditional IRAs. Each option has its own set of rules and tax implications, so it's important to understand the differences. Retirement planning isn't just about saving money. It's about designing your ideal lifestyle. What do you want your days to look like? Where do you want to live? What experiences do you want to have? By envisioning your future, you'll be more motivated to save for it. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards unlocking your financial future by enrolling in this mini course. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices every day that move you closer to your goals. It's about building healthy financial habits that will serve you well for a lifetime. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone stumbles along the way. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. With each step you take, you'll gain confidence and momentum. I'm here to support you on your journey. I offer a wealth of free resources, including articles, podcasts, and tools to help you achieve your financial goals. Visit our website or contact me to learn more. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Take action now and unlock your financial future.